The spotted handfish. The spotted handfish, Branchiolnithis hircitis, is the most endangered handfish species in the world. There are currently estimated to be about 1,000 spotted handfishes living today. Their kingdom is Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Lophiiformes, family Branchiolnithidae, genus Branchiolnithis, and species Hircitis. Habitat. The spotted handfish usually prefers to live on coarse to fine sand and silt in Tasmania, mainly on the Derwent River estuary in waters that range from 2 to 30 meters in depth. Role in the ecosystem. These handfishes are carnivores, meaning that they eat meat. Their diet mainly consists of small shellfish, shrimp, and polychaete worms in the wild. They are diurnal, meaning that they are only active at day. Their main predators are the northern Pacific sea stars. These sea stars eat the stalked ascidians that the handfish use to hatch their eggs. These handfishes are important because their way of getting around the ocean and hatching their eggs are very unique and intriguing. Food chains. So here we have the algae, which is the producer, and is then consumed by the polychaete worms, which is the primary consumer. The polychaete worms is then consumed by the spotted handfish, which is the secondary consumer. This is the spotted handfish in a food web. Effects of extinction. If the spotted handfish were to die off, the primary consumers, the shrimp and polychaete worms, numbers would increase dramatically. This would cause algae and moss numbers to significantly decrease. This would also affect the northern Pacific starfish because they would have nothing to eat and would start to die off as well. Why is the spotted handfish endangered? The spotted handfish was classified as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List in 2002. This was mainly because of the presence of an introduced species of starfish, Asterias amarynensis, which preys on the fish eggs. Pollution also plays a big role in the endangerment of these species, with fishing boats and transportation ships constantly going up and down the river. The Derwent River estuary is also the third largest port and supports 2 large metal and wood processing industries. This causes extreme degradation in the river and the spotted handfish habitat. Conservation programs. Since the 1996 IUCN listing, a collaborative research program has been going on between the CSIRO, the University of Tasmania, the state and federal governments, and Derwent Estuary Program to conserve the fish. In 2017, a project commenced to collect a male and a female spotted handfish. The offspring of those handfish will be transported to the Seahorse World Tasmania and the Sea Life Melbourne Aquarium.